Hello, welcome to OpenSys Student Information Tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to create subjects, courses, and course periods in OpenSys, or how to set up the course manager in the system. To access the course manager, make sure we're in the admin portal. Then go to School Setup, Courses, and click on Course Manager. Here we can see multiple subjects that are added from before, but we shall add a new subject to understand. Below the subject head, we can see a plus sign. Click on it. A box appears to enter a new subject title. Let's say we add Social Science and save it. The subject is added and appears in the column. It is also selected and we can see there is no course under the subject. Click on the plus sign to add a new course. Fill in the title name. Let's say Geography. Let's give it a short name, Geo. Select a grade level for which you want to create this course. Let's say we pick 9th grade and click on Save. A new course is added under the subject Social Science. To further add a new course period under the course Geography, we can see this course is already selected. Click on the plus sign under the course periods column. A course period form opens up. There are several fields that you need to fill and be careful before filling it, just because this entire course period creates a new classroom for that particular course, depending on how, when, and where the classes are going to be held. To begin with, let us fill in a short name for that course period. Let's say Geography 1. Select a calendar. Select a teacher, Jennifer Lawrence. If you require a secondary teacher, you may select so, else we're leaving it blank. Select a number of students you want or you can appoint in this classroom. Let's say we have it for 50. Grading scale. If you want this course period to be graded, then click on the grade scale that the admin has already created, which is main over here. If you do not want it to be graded, let it be as not graded. Fill in the credit hours if you have this course period which is meant to be credit based. Let's say we have it as 4. Then coming to gender restriction. If you want this course period, as in the classroom, to be gender restricted, like only the females or only males, you may select so or leave it blank. We have the option over here, male and female. Then comes the parent period. You may choose a parent period for this course period so that at the time of scheduling, the parent period stands compulsory to be scheduled before this course period. So let us choose a parent period. Let's say in the subject Science, Environmental Science course, we consider this EVS 1 parent period. Next is Allow Teacher Grade Scale. On selecting this, it enables the teacher to set their own grade scale which overrides the admin's grade scale. That can be seen in the teacher grade scale setup. Then comes the courses weighted. If you want this course period to have weighted GP values, then select it. Affects honor roll. To have this course period affecting the honor roll report, you may select this. Half day is an interesting feature, but it is disabled right now. We shall get back to this while filling up the rest of the form. Then affects class rank. If you want this course period to be affected in the class rank, then check this option. Then choose the duration, how long you want this course period to run for. If you want it to be based on a marking period that the admin has already set up, then select one of the marking periods, like we select full year. Or if you want a custom date range which is not based on any of the marking periods, then select this option and give your date range. Then select a schedule type. We have 3 schedule types over here. One is fixed, variable, and enter by calendar days. I shall explain in depth about each schedule type. Let us understand fixed schedule type first. Fixed schedule enables you to choose a selected period for a selected number of meeting days that continues in the same routine for the whole duration that has been marked above. Select a classroom and a period. Make sure these lists have been created while setting up the basics of the system. Then check the meeting days you want the course period to run on. And lastly, to enable the course period for attendance, check the Takes Attendance checkbox. After selecting the Takes Attendance option, the half-day option gets enabled. Half-day option entitles the students scheduled in this course period to retrieve half-day minutes, which overrides the actual course periods per class minutes when the student attends this course period. This option is used only when each course period is meant for taking attendance based on your school requirements. Usually, in schools, if you have a homeroom period when the attendance is taken for the day, you may create a separate homeroom course period and mark it for taking attendance only and leave the rest of the course periods for no attendance. Since I'm trying to set up this course period for a school, I'd like to make this course period marked for no attendance. Now, if we save it, the course period will be set in a fixed schedule type. To understand the variable schedule, click on it. This schedule type enables you to choose periods invariably for all the days in the duration of the course period. Select a day, period, room, and check on Takes Attendance option if needed. Now save the page and it automatically refreshes with the entered course period details. And alongside will show a plus sign beneath the variable schedule type to allow adding of more periods and days similarly. Now let us understand the Enter by Calendar Days option. This schedule type lets you choose selected dates in the chosen duration. For instance, if you have a course period that is not needed regularly as other learning lessons, say a test period, then you may enter particular dates by the calendar for it. To do so, click on Save and Continue. Now the selected school calendar in the course period appears. Choose the specific date, let's say 12th, and click on the plus sign. A new dialog box opens up. Select a period, room, and check Takes Attendance option if needed and save it. This date gets entered for this course period. Similarly, add innumerable specific dates for this course period and the course period will run on those dates only. In this way, a new course period can be added under a course and the course manager can be set up in the system. Thank you for watching the video.